All right, so the next part for us to create will be our axle and bushings. So again, I'll do a new sketch, and I'm going to do that sketch on the front plane again. I'll change my perspective. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit because these are going to be very small. I'm going to start by drawing the diameter of my axle and then my bushing. So 2 circles for the bushing, 1 circle for the axle. I'll set the dimensions for my axle at 2.5 millimeters, the internal diameter of my bushing at 2.5 millimeters, and the external at 4.7 millimeters, according to measurements on that worksheet. If your measurements are different, then take them as to what you have them on that worksheet. I will now complete that sketch and rename that feature. And then I can complete my extrusions. Again, these are different in length, so they'll have to be different extrusions. So I'm going to start by extruding the axle, and I'm going to extrude this by the length that I've recorded on that worksheet. And I'll go back and make my axle and bushing sketch visible in order to complete the extrusion of the axle. Now, it's worth keeping in mind that you may change this for your design later on, which makes naming these appropriately quite useful. So the parts that we have at this point are our big and small wheel, and they don't look quite right, so we'll just check small tire dimensions there in my sketch. That should be 30 millimeters. There we go.